my dear friends. Today, I, Ankita Yadav, student of BSc Nursing 7th semester, is here to give my view on the occasion of World Health Day 2026. So today, we are gathered here to celebrate World Health Day. So it is a day which is annually celebrated on the 7th of April every year, focusing on the health issues and resolving it. This year, the theme highlights Together for Health, Stand with Science. So here basically this theme was developed by the WHO with focus on a campaign, and it's mainly important to integrate the scientific knowledge with the healthcare, because all the scientific knowledge we have, all the evidences we have to implement in our healthcare settings. So this theme mainly focuses on uniting the power of scientific knowledge in building a healthier world. Health is not only about being free from illness, as we all know that health is not only physical fitness, but it also involves physical, mental, social and spiritual well-being. So on World Health Day, on this occasion, it is about living a balanced life physically, mentally and socially. However, in today's world, health challenges are increasing day by day. So from new diseases to rising stress level, we are constantly facing threats to our well-being. And the theme mainly focuses on the scientific knowledge, as we all know all the theories and all the interventions and studies we are studying are being arise from the scientific evidences, and they are also essential as they lead some better interventions and which further leads to better promoting of the health. In such time, science becomes our strongest ally. Science has given us vaccines, medicines, technologies that have saved millions of lives. It guides doctors in treating patients and help governments make policies that protect public health. Standing with science means trusting facts, evidences, believing in researches and making informed decisions. Let us not forget that many people around the world still do not have access to proper health care. Standing together means working towards equality in health services, so everyone, everywhere and each individual can live a healthy life. On this World Day, let us take a pledge to trust science and evidences and to reject the misinformations, misconception and to support one another in our journey toward the better health. So, being a nursing student, it's our role to promote this knowledge to everyone, individual and in the communities. And mainly this year focus on the theme Together for Health and Stand with Science, emphasizing the importance of the scientific evidences which are so much essential to be implemented in the healthcare settings. Thank you.